Today we are going to learn about securing Docker images with best practices. This session will cover essential strategies to enhance Docker image security, focusing on practical methods, tools, and compliance measures that you can implement effectively. Welcome to our session on securing Docker images with best practices. As containerization continues to dominate the software development landscape, securing Docker images has become crucial. Throughout this session, we'll explore strategies to protect your applications from vulnerabilities and ensure compliance with security standards. You'll gain insights into practical methods to secure your Docker images, including best practices, vulnerability scanning tools, and automation techniques. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the skills needed to enhance the security posture of your Docker deployments. To effectively secure Docker images, it's essential to first understand the vulnerabilities they may harbor. Docker images can contain numerous vulnerabilities, from outdated packages to misconfigurations, that can compromise the security of your applications. These vulnerabilities can lead to unauthorized access, data breaches, and other security incidents. Managing these vulnerabilities is a critical aspect of Docker image security. Tools like Clair, Anshore, and Trivy can be utilized to assess and identify vulnerabilities within your images. Once identified, you can adopt mitigation strategies such as patching, updating, or removing vulnerable components. Understanding and addressing these vulnerabilities is the first step in creating a robust security framework for your Docker containers. One effective way to enhance Docker image security is by using minimal base images. These images contain only the essential components needed to run your application, thereby reducing the attack surface. A smaller image not only minimizes potential vulnerabilities but also lowers the risk of exploits. Popular minimal base images include Alpine Linux and Destrolus, which are designed to be lightweight and secure. When selecting a minimal base image, consider your application's requirements and ensure compatibility. By adopting minimal base images, you streamline your security efforts, allowing you to focus on securing the necessary components without unnecessary overhead.
Implementing proper user permissions in Docker containers is a critical security best practice. The principle of least privilege should be applied, which means granting only the necessary permissions required for an application to function. By default, Docker containers often run as the root user, posing significant security risks. Configuring containers to run as non-root users can significantly enhance security by limiting the potential damage from an exploit. You can set user permissions in your Docker file using the user directive, ensuring that your application runs with the least privileges necessary. This practice not only strengthens security but also aligns with compliance standards that require strict access controls.
Another crucial step in securing Docker images is removing unnecessary components. Bloat within your Docker images can introduce additional vulnerabilities and increase the risk of exploitation. Identifying and removing these unnecessary components helps streamline your images and improve security. Tools like Dive and Docker Slim can analyze your images, helping you identify components that can be safely removed. By focusing on essential components, you reduce the complexity and potential attack vectors within your images. This practice not only enhances security but also optimizes image performance and deployment efficiency, contributing to a more robust and secure Docker environment.
Regularly updating your Docker-based images is integral to maintaining a secure environment. Outdated images can harbor known vulnerabilities that are easily exploitable. Managing the lifecycle of your base images means consistently checking for updates and applying them promptly. Automation tools like Jenkins and GitHub Actions can streamline the update process, ensuring your images are always up to date without manual intervention. The risks of running outdated images include exposure to known vulnerabilities and non-compliance with security policies. By implementing a strategy for consistent updates, you safeguard your applications against potential threats while maintaining adherence to security standards. Leveraging Docker security tools is essential for maintaining a secure container environment. Tools like Docker Bench, Linus, and Sysdig Secure provide comprehensive assessments of your Docker images and deployments. These tools help identify misconfigurations, vulnerabilities, and other security issues, offering actionable insights to enhance security. Integrating these tools into your development workflow ensures continuous security checks, reducing the risk of vulnerabilities slipping through the cracks. By utilizing Docker security tools, you gain a deeper understanding of your security posture, enabling you to implement effective measures to protect your applications and data.
Automating security scans within your C/CD pipelines is a best practice for maintaining continuous security. Integrating tools like Snike, Aqua Security, and Clair into your C/CD processes allows for automated vulnerability scanning and compliance checks at each stage of development. This integration ensures that security assessments are conducted consistently, catching vulnerabilities early in the development lifecycle. Implementing automated scans in your pipelines not only enhances security but also increases development efficiency by reducing manual intervention. By adopting this approach, you foster a culture of security as code, ensuring that security is an integral part of your development process.
Effectively responding to security vulnerabilities is a critical aspect of Docker image security. Rapid identification and response are key to minimizing the impact of vulnerabilities. Employing tools like Defect Dojo and Jira can facilitate vulnerability management, allowing you to track and prioritize issues. Developing a clear response strategy, including roles and responsibilities, ensures that vulnerabilities are addressed promptly and efficiently. Communication is also vital. Keeping stakeholders informed about vulnerabilities and remediation efforts maintains transparency and trust. By establishing a robust response workflow, you can swiftly mitigate vulnerabilities, protecting your applications and maintaining compliance with security standards.
As we conclude our session on securing Docker images with best practices, it's important to emphasize the ongoing nature of security. The strategies and tools we've discussed today are not one-time implementations but are part of an evolving process to protect your applications. By adopting these best practices, you enhance your Docker image security posture, safeguarding your data and ensuring compliance. Remember that security is a continuous journey, requiring consistent effort and vigilance. We encourage you to implement these strategies and continuously learn and improve. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you found this session insightful and empowering.